Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to our day 16 of learning kanji grade 1 in Japan. Alright, so do you still remember this kanji? Oh, it's written there. It's Osaka. Alright, there you go. It's Osaka. Alright, there you go. So moving on to our learning day grade 1 kanji here in Japan. First kanji for today is village, town, block, or street. Alright, that's machi. Machi. Neighborhood, street or block, machi nai. Ah, gomenasai. That's my fault. It's not machi nai, it's chonai. Chonai. Alright, sorry for that mistake. A bit reckless. I apologize. Alright, so moving on to our next one. It's heaven, sky, or imperial. First example, tenshi. Tenshi, and that means angel. The most common word that we have here is the second example, tenki, which means weather, and tensai, which means genius. Okay, third kanji for today, probably the easiest, Ricefield. Alright, Ricefield or rice paddy. Tambo, farm or paddy field, where they farm rice, vegetables, and so. Fourth example, soil, ground. Oh, sorry, fourth kanji, soil, ground. Tochi, tochi, and that's lot, soil, plot of land. Tochi o kaimashita. I bought a land or a lot. Alright? Second example, doyobi. Doyobi. And that's Saturday in English. Okay? Third example, kokudo. Kokudo. Country, domain, or territory. Alright, let's go to our example for today. Example is, 土曜日の天気はいいから田中さんが町へ行きました。Alright? 土曜日の天気はいいから田中さんが町へ行きました。Mr. and Mrs. Tanaka went to the town because Saturday's weather was good. Okay? So, doyobi means Saturday. Tenki means weather. Tanaka-san, I used the rice paddy as in a person's name. Okay? And then machi. Alright, so there you have it. Our 4 kanjis for day 16, learning grade 1 kanji in Japan. Thank you guys for watching.